It's your boy Mufasa here again, and today I'm bringing you guys a season workout. So I can say season workout, but you always need to stay fit, to be fit, to look fit. So today it's summer, like still we COVID, but it's summer, okay? So I brought you guys some summer body workout. So summer body, when I say summer body, you know what I mean by summer body. So I brought you guys some summer body workout. It's 10 exercise workout, and we're gonna be doing each one of them for 30 seconds or 30 reps if you want to. So the first exercise is gonna be push-ups. Guys, you're gonna say, why push-ups? I wanna get out of here. Why push-ups? Push-ups is the basic for fitness. If you don't do push-ups, or if you don't like push-ups, I don't know what you're doing. Like, push-ups is what everybody begins in your room. That's where everything begins. So we're gonna do some push-ups, and then we're gonna go to bicycle crunches. So push-ups, upper body, bicycle crunches for your core, some Superman, it's gonna be for your back, some jumping squat, of course, it's gonna be for your legs and for your butt. And after jumping squat, we're gonna do pike push-ups, which is gonna help you with your shoulders, your triceps, and these your traps. And after that, we're gonna do some knee claps, which is gonna also be for your core. We're gonna do some jumping lunges for your legs and your butt. Some Superman push-ups, which is gonna be right here. You see there, that's what it is for. That's gonna be for your back. After Superman push-ups, we're doing some mountain climbers for your core, your arms, and your legs. And then we're gonna finish with some side lunges. Side lunges are gonna be for your legs and for your butt. So as you guys can see, I covered all parts of your body. You're gonna ask me, where are calves? Yes, you remember the jumping squat? They're very effective for calves, and also jumping lunges. So I covered everything. You're gonna ask me, where's the neck? Oh, the neck. When you're doing all these exercises, trust me, I don't have to tell you, because this is gonna be a follow along workout, so you can be doing as I'm doing it. You'll see how it works on your neck. So without wasting too much of your time, I hope you're ready to get ripped. I'm challenging you to do this. By the end of this workout, you should be sweating because of how effective it is and how pretty, awesome it is, and how it works. So if I'm not sweating, probably there's something wrong. Maybe I'm not hydrated enough, or I'm not doing it the right way, because I promise you right now, you can see I'm dry. But let's go get some sweat off. Alright guys, that was all 10 exercises. As you can see, I already started sweating, and you can see the breathing. It's pretty intense, and I feel so good, even if it's a little tiring. Yeah, that's what you want. Trust me, if you do this for 2 weeks straight, you're gonna see the results. It only takes like less than 10 minutes to get this done. Less than 10 minutes, you can save less than 10 minutes at a time to do this, and trust me, you won't regret this. So I hope this video is useful and helpful to you. I hope you use it, you make it as your routine, and you get the result. That's my main goal for you, to get the result you want. I want you to get what you want, so that you don't think it's a waste. Alright, thank you guys, I appreciate it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.